Hi guys, this is the latest installment of restoration specials that we're doing on our classic motorcycles. Obviously you can see this is going to concentrate on the Kawasaki Z bike, New York State, KZ900, Z1, whatever model you have from 1973 right up to 1980. All the stuff that we have here are upgraded electrical products that we've been making for the past 15 or 20 years. From starter motors, solenoid switches, through rectifier regulators. I know some of you guys like to keep the thing stock, but this is a chance to upgrade to 21st century electrics, and we have the regulator that'll work with a lead acid or a lithium ion. We have original equipment stock coils, we have stators and stator cover gaskets. This is a good opportunity for you guys to bring your bike, your classic, timeless Z bike, up to modern standards. So check us out in the next couple of weeks.